What's up, everyone? I just bought a random buy, a pair of shoes. First pair ever. Bought them from Walmart, $40. Have you guessed what they are yet? Well, if you did, you're right. Skechers. I actually am pretty excited about what's gonna go on here. This is me unboxing it. Haven't even touched it. Okay, all day. Without further ado, let's get into it. I'm super excited, I'm not gonna lie. I've been excited. So I got the Skechers Go Run lightweight design for max comfort, air cooled go-go mat. I got mine in an 8.5 and okay. They're not that bad. I think I picked a good color. We got silver, a little bit navy blue on there. Okay, come on. We're gonna style these. I mean, they're really not that bad. What are you really supposed to like expect? They just shoes. I don't know, but they feel good. Let's go ahead and style them. Well, let's get into the outfit that I already have on. Okay. I don't know if I will wear this with this. Maybe not, you know, but maybe. I mean, I don't know. Like, it looked good to me. It feels like I'm walking in the shoe. I feel good. If I was to really try, this is what I would put on. Come on, somebody. Come on. It's giving. It's giving Skechers snackers. This is the white shirt from the other haul, y'all, where I said, I'm gonna figure out something to do with it and we could just dress it up. Well, here you go. Nice little cute white t-shirt with some jeans and some tennis shoes. It's always gonna hit. It's always nice to put a little jacket on. Come on. Look, it's not even really that bad. $40. I could get 2 pair of these. Okay, a different color. You know what? Y'all better quit playing with me. Seriously, these shoes is very comfortable. Like, they are. They're very comfortable. And I don't know if y'all can tell, but this is a reflector jacket. So I think in the dark, it will reflect. Skechers did that. They did their thing. I got some other sweatpants that I could put these with. You know what? One more outfit. Again, I like to just put clothes together. I like to do something different. So this is my shirt that I got from in California. If you can't tell, woo woo woo, mamba. Anyway, I'm not really big into basketball. May not be y'all favorite outfit, but I'll definitely say I like this outfit a lot. Fall is gonna love to see me coming. After living in the climate, when you wore tennis shoes, your toes was high, everything was high, your ankles was high. I get to bust out my tennis shoe collection. It's very comfortable despite what it may look like on this camera. You gotta wear the clothes and let the clothes wear you. But anyway, y'all, thank you so much for watching. It was fun unboxing these shoes and putting some outfits together that I will really wear with them. As always, put your favorite look down in the comments. Like, subscribe, share, whatever you gotta do, but show your girl some love, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.